Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website which is Gigabyte. Any device require the driver you can find and install, download and install. Send in, then in you can see this is right hand side. This is search button. Just click it and then enter your model number which is you required. Then in search hit me with the best key and then type Z790 Wi-Fi, then hit enter. Then click on product Z790D Wi-Fi. Then click on support. Then guys, select your operating system, Windows 10. Both installations process same, so you select any audio driver and click to download. When you click on download, it will start downloading and wait few seconds to complete, and after that just single click to open. So it is completed. Just open it and double click to exe. And then yes, now this is extracting data to your systems for installation. Now this is installing, you can see. So wait, it will close automatically when this is installed. This is actually background is installed, it's installing. And this automatically close means this is installed. Chipset. First try to install this one, serial Intel serial driver, and click to download. Well, you can see this is start downloading. It is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then ex. Now this is installing, and then close it. Then Intel INF installations, and second this one. Same, it is downloaded, then open and double click to exe. Then yes. Now this is updating INF. This is automatically close means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, and just click to download. It will just click in, you can start downloading. Then this is completed, just single click to open, double click to exe. Now this is, wait few seconds, it will show up to require the administrator rights. Then click to yes. So guys, this is automatically close means this is installed. VG driver, just click to download. You can see it start downloading. Wait few seconds. So this is installed, and just double click to exe. Then click to yes for require the administrator rights. Then click on yes. So now this is installing. So it will close means this is installed. and then close means this is installed. Bluetooth driver, extract C Bluetooth driver and click to download. Start downloading and then just open it and double click to launch, and yes, and this is install and then close. So Wi-Fi, W LAN means Wi-Fi, C Wi-Fi driver and click to download. And open and double click to exe. Click on yes. Wait few seconds, this is Wi-Fi driver is installing. And then close it.